13x6 cap construction, so you can definitely have fun and move the part around. This is the inside construction of the cap. You also have adjustable straps to keep it nice and tapered back there. She's absolutely gorgeous. So this is our gorgeous girl. Super beautiful. Here's a glimpse of what she looks like from the back.